Om Namah Shivaya. Here you are saying real Lord Vishnu conch. It is a real Lord Vishnu conch which have in his hands. Lord Vishnu have in his hand. It is a normally available conch. You can see the huge difference in shape. It is extremely very rarest collection, and you can see the shape. It is diamond in shape. Tapers both the side equally. It is like a bulb shape. It is extremely rarest to collect. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. In my 25 years experience, it is a just fifth piece like this. In my 25 years, I just collected a 5 piece like this Lord Vishnu conch. Extremely very rarest collection. Very beautiful, powerful conch. It is a real conch which Lord Vishnu have in his hands. You can see it tapers both the side equally. This conch is like a bulb. It is normally available in all places. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. You can see the quality, everything. This conch is very unique and very difficult to find. It is not at all easily available. Extremely rarest collection. Real Lord Vishnu conch from Indian Ocean. In my 25 years experience, it is a just 5 piece in collection. That's all. Extremely rare, real Lord Vishnu conch from Indian Ocean. It's a normally available conch. You can see the difference. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya.